Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build an app or a website in minutes without coding using Rocket. I'm just going to paste this prompt here. Obviously, you can use any, well, you can decide what website you want to be generated, I guess. And then I'm just going to press enter here. And it's going to basically create a website for me. I should probably use maybe like a catchy themed website or something. And then I'm just going to type in, well, I'm going to select use default framework here. And it's going to think. Okay, here we go. It's going to take a few minutes, so I'll be right back when it's done generating. Then you are going to select the screens you wish to build from the list below, and then you're going to select build my website. I'm going to add homepage, recipe collections. Let's do retro party planner. I thought that's a pantry. Okay, it's fine. And then kitchen collection, and let's do a roulette. That seems cute. Build my website. And this is what the website looks like at the end. You can change the HTML here. I'll just do this. And here you can click on the home page. This is what the home page looks like. Super cute. You can kind of press on it. Oh my gosh, this does not look like 292 Casserole Deluxe, but I think you can just change the picture from that. And then there's recipe collections here that you can click on, I guess. Load more recipes. There's kitchen collections here, party planner, and then a recipe roulette as well. There's the code for it here and some integrations as well that you can kind of check. Here. Spin the wheel. Spinning through the decades. Okay. And then it's going to show up as super cute once you're done with editing everything. Just like launch and you're done. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.